Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Kcserevision. We have some several products we are offering, and that is Form 1, 2, 3, 4 Division Resources, Grade 7 and 8 CBC Junior Secondary Resources, Grade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 CBC Resources, PP1 and PP2 CBC Resources, and we also have play group, and that is also called baby class. So for example, let's try accessing some product at Form 1, 2, 3, 4 resources. On our product, we have the notes, you have the past papers, you have the counter mock, summary exam, lesson plan, schemes of work, set book guide, revision booklet, topic test, assignment, and we can try accessing one of the product, which is the notes. So a user click there, and then is taken to a page where you have the revision note, set book guide download. You also have the PowerPoint note. So let's click where you have the note. Then the user is taken to per specific class, and then when the user clicks where the node is taken, you have the subcategory of Form 2 biology node. Then when the user wants to download them, the user is supposed to click here to download. And when the user clicks there, he is told to log in. So if the user is not logged in, he click join us. If the user has paid, log in. So let me click login. And then you import the username. Put the username. And as you can see now, as the website say, you are logged in, and so the user just click where you have the notes, and the user can be able to access all the resources and all the product in that page. For example, let's try accessing agriculture from one node. So the users click there, and then you also now the user can be able to download them and be able to access them offline.